Hey, what's up? This is Sandeep. Namaste. Salam alaikum. Heartily welcome to my channel. This is Sandeep. Namaste. Salam alaikum. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save your device memory from WhatsApp because the WhatsApp is a WhatsApp receive automatically lots of file automatically download in your system. To how to prevent it if WhatsApp downloaded automatically video, image file and PDF file, so it normally it occupied lots of space. So if occupy lots of space, so the system runs slowly. So how you can prevent? So this is my desktop. This is my desktop. And to save memory from WhatsApp, so you can go to the WhatsApp icon, open the WhatsApp app, and on the right top corner is the three dot. Click on the three dot, just tap and go to the setting. Okay, so go to the setting and you can see the storage and data. Storage network is auto download. So this is the main setting option, and now it's so WhatsApp is coming from the Meta. So Meta is coming from the metaverse. So the setting is the storage and data network is an auto downloaded. So yes, so you can see the media auto download, voice messages are always automatically downloaded. Yes, voice messages are always automatically downloaded, so you can't prevent this text message and voice message because it default and you can't customize this option. So you can customize the when using mobile, the when you are using the mobile data. So I already set no media. So when using mobile data, so I if this is the if you see that your default setting is all check mark in photo, just just deactivate the box, and click on the OK. Suppose when you connected on to Wi-Fi, so when you connected on Wi-Fi, if you see that some option is activated, just the audio option activated, just if you see the video, some either photo, audio, video or documents activated, just deactivate this one and click on the OK button. And when your device connected to the roaming, just uncheck all media. So if you see the photo is checked, so what you have to do, just deactivate the all option, photo, audio, video and documents. These files are automatically downloaded in WhatsApp. So it when WhatsApp automatically downloaded, so what the system memory automatically occupy lots of space, so the system runs slowly. So you deactivate everything also and click on the OK. So I have already deactivated everything. So I can't deactivate the voice message and text message because I can't customize it. So back to the size. So suppose suppose yes. So I can't open this PDF file because this I have no, this is the plane mode. This phone is now in the plane mode and the Wi-Fi is turned off. So if I click on this one, download file, the download was unable to complete. Please try again later. Why? Because I already deactivated all the file, just like documents are not automatically downloaded to prevent automatically downloaded. So you can see that this images are not automatically downloaded. So if I click on here, download fail. So it generally save my memory. So I hope you can understand what is the process, actual process. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new tips. Bye bye.